everyone, it's Nisha. Welcome to 5-Minute Eyes. So I have dug out my old Becca Ombre Nudes eye palette. I've had it for so long and I used to absolutely love this palette for like very neutral everyday look. So I thought we'd do something with that today. Okay. This palette is lovely and it's so easy to use. You know, there is not too much choice, obviously, and it just takes all the work out of it the way it's arranged. You get, you know, from the lightest to the darkest, all in the same tone. And of course you can still get few looks from it. You can get really light look or do something a bit darker. So let's start with the lightest one and put it all over our lid. I'm going to put it all over my lid. And by the way, all these eyeshadows are matte as well, so if you prefer matte look, this is very good eyeshadow to use. Before you ask, this clip, I bought it in New York a couple of years ago, so I see if I can find it. These are very good because they don't put creases in your hair. Okay, and now I'm going to go with the next one. I'm just gonna work my way from the lightest to the darkest. I'm gonna take MAC 217. My brushes really need cleaning. And I'm going to put it in my crease and blend it upwards. Okay, now Blank Canvas Cosmetics E42. I'm going to the next darker one and I'm just going to put that right in my crease. Can you see how that opens up your eye? The light matte eyeshadow on your lid and then just really deepening the crease. It gives that illusion of the crease, therefore makes your mobile lid looking bigger. I'm going to blend it out slightly upwards, not as high as the first one. Now I'm going to the fourth one, darkest one, and I'm going to deepen up my crease, but just on the outer portion of my eye. And now, sorry if you hear the noise, it's the rubbish lorry. Now what is this? This is a Revolution, Makeup Revolution brush E10. It's quite slanted. I'm gonna angled, it's quite angled. I'm going to go to the darkest shade and just shade my outer 7. That's why I like these angled brushes. This one is a bit too big. I need something smaller, but I still haven't found anything, because that, if you put it that way, it makes you that gives you that template without too much work going to it. Sigma E35, just blend it all out. Now what I'm going to go back to that lightest shade, the very creamy one, and really pack it on with very dense. This is old brush that they don't sell anymore, so I can't give you the name, but you know, small flat synthetic brush, because these really pack on color and sort of press the color in, so I can give myself really nice light mobile lid, and that will really open up my eye. Okay, I take this one, Morphe M507. Let me actually do underneath my eye, and I will do that with the the middle shadow. Just go under my eye with it. Okay, I'm going again to that dark shade and shade a bit more. And that's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a eyebrow or eyeliner angled brush, and this is MAC 263. Wet it, spit on it, whatever you do, and I'm going to put it in the darkest shade and draw an eyeliner with it. I might actually, with the same brush, put a bit of that line just on the outer lower lash line. And now mascara. I'm going to use the Nars Climax mascara, my new favorite. And that's the finished look. I forgot how much I like this palette. I need to start looking in my drawer because I have so many palettes, and you know, with things coming out all the time, you tend to forget your old favorites. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.